1.2, an encounter of a special kind. In this lesson, we have just finished part 1, the same lesson. Now we will start part 2 of the same lesson. Now listen to the page number 9. Okay. Now we see para 6, where the dominant male had holding a baby langur in his hand, and he was biting mercilessly to that baby langur, and the rest of the langur were watching it. Nobody can rescue the baby langur from the dominant, who was the leader of the langur group. So we will next page, on page number 9, third paragraph. Without losing any time, the writer says, without losing any time, I gathered a stout stick in one hand and hurled a piece of stone at the marauding langur. Without losing any time, a minute, the writer got a stick in one hand and hurled and moved. Hurled means what? Threw forcefully. The writer threw forcefully a piece of stone at the marauding langur. A piece of stone. A piece of stone. The writer himself hurled marauding piece of stone. Hurled a piece of stone at the marauding langur. त्याने एक हातात काठी घेतली लेखकाने वेडणा घालता आणि एक दगड त्या लंगूरच्या अर्थात माकडाच्या दिशेने काय केला, ज्याने भक्ष्य बनवलेलं होतं बरं, भक्ष्यात भटकणारा जो लंगूर होता, भक्ष्य बनवलेलं, त्याच्या दिशेने फेकला. द लंगूर वॉज सो इन्फ्युरिटेड दॅट इट हार्डली टूक एनी नोटिस ऑफ एनी असॉल्ट. हा जो लेखकाकडनं हल्ला झाला, the langur was so infuriated that it hardly took any notice of any assault. So the group of leader, the dominant langur, was so infuriated. He is not ready to take any notice of the assault. तो जो लंगूर होता, माकड होता, तो एवढा भडकलेला होता, ते कोणत्या प्रकारचं लक्ष त्यांनी या गोष्टीकडे दिले नाही. But then, पण त्यानंतर लगेच I started throwing more stones. So the writer began to throw, the narrator began to throw more and more stones at the direction of the langur. The dogs on their part raised their pitch of cry. The dogs were also supporting to the writer. Okay, when the writer was throwing more and more stone at that langur, leader of the langur was biting the baby langur. The same time, the dogs were also raise their barking, pitch of cry loudly. Pitch of cry means the barking, the level of barking high and low. परंतु त्या लेखकाने अधिकाधिक दगड त्या दिशेने, त्या लंगूरच्या दिशेने, माकडाच्या दिशेने फिरकवली. त्याच वेळेस कुत्र्याने सुद्धा त्याला प्रतिसाद दिला. ते सुद्धा मोठमोठ्याने ओरडू लागले. The changed circumstances and the sudden unexpected attack from the unknown quarters forced the langur to drop the baby from the sloping roof over the veranda. But over the veranda there was a roof which was sloping. But changed circumstances, the circumstances was changing slowly, which was unexpected for the male dominant langur's point of view. And he dropped the baby langur. बरं, जसे परिस्थिती बदलली, अचानक अनपेक्षितपणे त्या मेल लंगूरने त्या बेबी लंगूरला सोडलं, छतावर सोडलं. बरं, स्लोपिंग रूफ, उतरत्या छतावर त्याला सोडलं, की जे कुठं होतं, वरांड्याच्या वर होतं. द बेबी वॉज, बरोबर, द बेबी असॉल्ट मीन्स व्हॉट? असॉल्ट मीन्स व्हॉट? असॉल्ट मीन्स व्हायलेंट अटॅक. Was done by the right shoe. The baby was listless. So many bites were there on the body of the baby langur. So it will it becomes so weak, it motionless. The baby was listless, means what? Motionless, without any energy, and appeared to be dead. The baby langur was listless and appeared to be dead. There was no energy at the baby langur's body. As its body started to slide down, and when that baby dominant langur dropped the baby langur, it began to slide down, started slide down. The excitement of the pack of the dogs grew manifold at the prospect of the good kill and meal. At the bottom, below the roof, there were also dogs waiting for that baby langur. This is the good prospect of good kill and meal. They were glance at the baby langur when it will fall, and we will begin to eat it. At the same time, they were excited. The baby langur began to slide down. At the same time, the pack of the dog have more excited to get that baby langur. Keeping the dogs, ते जसं खाली पडायला लागलं तसे हे कुत्रे जे होते त्या बेबी लंगूरकडे, लहान पिल्लाकडे भक्ष्याच्या दृष्टीने उत्साहाने पाहत होते. कीपिंग डॉग, मेनी फोल्ड्स मीन्स अनेक पटीने पाहत होते ते. मोर अँड मोर टाइम्स दे आर वॉचिंग. कीपिंग द डॉग्स at the bay with the stick, I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail just as it tipped over the edge of the tail roof. When the baby langur slid down slowly and came to at the edge of the roof, the writer saw the tail of the baby langur, and he was keeping the stick, keeping the dogs away with the help of the stick. तर लेखकाने एका हाताने काठीने त्या कुत्र्याला लांब ठेवलं आणि जसं ते घसरत आलं त्याची शेपूट त्या छताच्या कोपऱ्याला आली. द बेबी appeared inert. बरोबर. The baby langur was appeared inert. How was it? It was motionless. The baby langur looks like motionless. Inert. Inert means what? Inert means motionless. It cannot move. It cannot move or make any movement. The baby langur was unable to make any movement and lifeless. It was indeed a male baby. The baby langur was a male baby. But जसं ते बेबी लंगूर खाली आलं, लेखकाने त्याला पाहिलं, ते अशक्त दिसलं आणि ते प्रामुख्याने नर बेबी होतं, ते पिल्लू होतं. By this time, ह्या वेळेस my parents and sisters had come out on the veranda. At the same time, when he got the baby langur, at the same time, the writer's father, mother, sister, all were standing behind him at the veranda, and they are witnessing, and were witnessing my rescue operation. This was the rescue operation done by the writer, and all his family members were watching it. They were the eyewitness over there. ते सगळे तिथे काय होते, प्रामुख्याने पाहणारे, प्रत्यक्षदर्शी पाहणारे होते त्या रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन. त्याची सुटका जी झाली, त्या सुटकाच्या दरम्यान ते प्रत्यक्ष त्याच्या आईवडील, भाऊ बहीण सगळे पाहत होते. Some of our neighbors had also gathered in the distance. His mother and father, brother, sister, all were standing behind him and watching the rescue operation of the writer. At the same time, the neighbors were also gathered over there, but they were at distance. They are also watching all this rescue operation of the writer. I took the baby langur to our backyard. The writer took the baby langur in his hand and take to the backside of the house, and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. There was a poultry coop. There was a small coop, small house of the birds and animals. He gently, slowly laid that baby langur on the floor, poultry coop, on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite marks. When he observed the baby langur, there was a bite marks on the body of the baby langur, and they were so deep, and some scratches were there on the baby langurs. baby langur. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. Oozing. What do you mean by oozing? Overflowing. When we fall, sometimes we are run from one place to another. When we fall on the floor, we injured. So blood oozing from our injury. The same way, there were some bites and scratches on the body of the baby langur, and blood was oozing from some wounds. And रक्त त्या जखमातून वाहत होतं. The baby remained motionless. ते पिल्लू माकडाचं motionless, गतिहीन झालेलं होतं. कोणत्या प्रकारच्या हालचाल ते करत नव्हतं. अचल झालेलं होतं. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds. At the same time, his father was over there with the first aid box, and he cleans the wounds of the baby langur. लेखकाच्या वडिलांनी फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स मधून च्या साह्याने त्या बेबी लंगूरचे जे काही जखमा होत्या माकडाच्या पिल्लाच्या ते जखमा स्वच्छ केल्या अँड स्टॉप द ब्लिडिंग. त्यामुळे ते रक्त काय झालं थांबलं. आय वॉज रिलीव्ड टू फाइंड आउट दॅट द बेबी वॉज ब्रीदिंग. आय वॉज रिलीव्ड. द रायटर वॉज रिलीव्ड. स्टील द बेबी वॉज ब्रीदिंग. मीन्स द बेबी लंगूर वॉज स्टील अलाइव. Even though his breaths were shallow or going on, but that was slowly going on, no? So he was relieved, the writer. He was motionless. The baby langur जो होता माकडाचं पिल्लू ते गती मोशनलेस झालेलं होतं. कोणत्या प्रकारचे हालचाल करत नव्हतं. तर शेवटी त्यांनी पाहिलं की त्याची हालचाल, त्याचा श्वासोश्वास सुरू आहे, ब्रीदिंग सुरू आहे, तेव्हा त्यांना धीर मिळाला. The splashes of cold water, the splashes of cold water made the baby stir. When the splashes some water on the baby langur, that was aware, that was stir, aware, that moves. After a few splashes of water made the baby stir. त्या थंड पाण्याचे पाणी शिंपडल्यानंतर ते जे बेबी लंगूर होतं ते थोडंसं जागृत झालं. And after a few shaky attempts, he set up. जागृत झाल्यानंतर त्याने थोडे प्रयत्न केले पण ते थोडं थरथरत होतं. He was in a state of shock. मानसिक धक्क्याने ते भारावलेलं होतं. And started traveling like a leaf in the wind. When air blows, the leaf of the trees also tremble. The same way, the baby langur was also injured and was trembling. ते थरथरत होतं. His two little twinkle eyes, त्याचे छोटे छोटे दोन डोळे welled up with tears. त्या माकडाच्या पिल्लाचे दोन्ही डोळे हे अश्रूंनी भरून आलेले होते. As sometimes children commits mistakes, they make some naughty things in the house. So sometimes mother or father, brothers beat the child. He begins to cry. So some tears come in the eyes of the child or children. The same way, his two little twinkle eyes welled with the tears. He started to sob with a muffled cry. In slowly sound, he began to sob like. Slowly, it was crying. Just like a human child would after experiencing trauma. Child was beaten by elders in a large extent. They are fear of their parents. If they speak, they are fear. If they speak, they will again beat. This is called mental distress. That is called great distress. So they went into great distress. They are unable to do any mistake further because they are aware. If we make mistake, if we will make mistake, so our father or mother will beat us. So they were in a great distress. The same way, just like a human child would after experiencing trauma, I offer him a peeled banana. So it was in distress. It was in a great distress. But ते फार घाबरलेलं होतं भीतीक्त होतं, हे लेखकाने अनुभवलेलं होतं. And the same time I offered him a peeled banana which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bites. आणि त्याच वेळेस या लेखकाने the offer, he gave him a peeled banana. He was unable to accept it, but he accepted it unsteady and began to take hesitant bites and began to eat in his way. So students, we will stop here. This is the second part of the same lesson. We will see the rest of the part, last part, that is third part, in the next video clip. Till try to read, understand the meanings as well as meaning of the words, difficult words and the passage, and do the exercise regarding this passage. See you. Thank you very much.